Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I am going to share with you how you can create an AI illusion image like this. So without further ado, let's get started. First, go to your browser and search for a Hugging Face. Click the first link, and you will come to the Hugging Face website. On the website, click the spaces. Here you can see a search bar, search for Illusion Diffusion. And you can see many servers here. But we're gonna use that AP123. This is a pretty simple UI of an Illusion Diffusion. Here are some advanced settings, but we are not going to use these settings. The most important thing is an illusion of strength. First, upload your photo, and here write a prompt, like balloons. And let's see the result. This image looks very cool, but not what we want. So let's try another one, and this time I am going to use a Twitter logo. And in the prompt section, I write river. Take a few seconds and this website will make the picture for us. Amazingly, it's made a river in the front of our logo. Lastly, I am trying to do something different. So, I am going to use Albert Einstein's image and write a prompt jungle. Let's see what happens. It's looking great and amazing. This AI tool is amazing. So, click the link in the description to get started using Illusion Diffusion. We hope you enjoy our demonstration, and if you like it, please like the video and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.